So this is the next mod we have here. It's RGB car LED strip lights. So this goes in the Footwell, I believe. We're gonna put this in the Footwell. Oh yeah. Alright, so as we can see, it's working. The LED lights are working. The remote works as well. So you gotta choose blue, red. You get the gist. Let's connect it to the fuse. That's it. Alright, I'm gonna connect the fuse now. Be right back. Alright, so right now we're gonna cut the wire so we don't use the cigarette plug. We're gonna connect it to the fuse. So yeah, we're gonna do that now. So that's what it's gonna be like. Just cut it like that. Thank you. Turn it again. So we're gonna connect it to the main fuse.
Let's get more. Thanks. Greasy.
Yeah.
Positive. You can use this as well, but this is not good. This is really
this is the easiest way. Yeah.
Number cigarette plug is number 8, so this one here. Let's take it out. Can you see the fuse?
Yeah.
It is over there. I got it. Now you wrap the red one, not the black one, around this. So you close it.
The red.
And now you push this back into the fuse. Push it in. We're gonna put that in the middle thing here. Yeah, look, now she filmed that.
Now it works. The car turning on.
You have to put it on the. You have to put the black one on something middle like this. And turn the car off. Let's see.
Electricity. So basically, we turn the car off now.
Does it work?
And now it's on.
Yeah, that's what we want.
That's what we want. There we go. That's the result.
Pause it and then one fuse there, and then a negative one. That ball. Now power on. There you go. Turn it off.
Turn it off.
That's it. There we go.
Through there. And then. Oh, you can't shut here. Yeah, that's the other one. You go through the main center dash thing. You need that. You need that black bit to stay out. The remote, yeah, that bit.
Oh, this one goes here. I'm gonna toss them. Look, just tuck them under the sill. Look. I'm filming it.